them batty thinking germs in wife that. No boy can't send me on my bed. No boy. A boy should know that. They don't care about the Prime Minister, they don't care about no blood clot boy from the kid. No boy can't send me on my bed. I want to go fucking me that want to tell me that him to come tell me that. I want to tell him to come drive in the people and send people to the bed. Make me see what send me on my bed. No boy from the face of this earth can't put on my bed and say, me is ready. Tired of them, man. I want to know if you want to follow him up and not fuck people. I want to know so I can this one. Well, mass, all of it, you don't know a police. You don't know a style every God Almighty day. So we don't have a mass. Bad police are pretty cheap with gun pound away, so we don't have a mass. You know, tell the man, so uno a black without black road. That's it, uno say. Uno buy one bag of pretty cheap because Corona come out, because Bill Gates, you no money now. This. So uno come so now, and uno get pretty cheap, uno good now, buy a quick. Remember some of them time people who say that, you know, we don't see uno kill blood clot next year. Now every night, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, uno come to that car place. No boy can send me to bed. Uno fi tell the Prime Minister.
Look more. A rating matter, man. Look more.
No Prime Minister, no boy.